Ki kertong ke NPP ki bawan baar hau news nem arajar arpolai. Iba Stevenson Mukim iba naka amlarem new constituency iba rem ha iba lakmen rembui kumba sanpo new woods. Steve M. Marak iba naka ampati sanpulai constituency iba rem ha miani disira kumba arajar arspa new woods. James Pangsang Kongkal Sangma iba naka Dadengri 49 constituency iba rem hai rupa Marak kumba Khatpra Woods. Nelang Lindo iba naka Cleariat 6 constituency iba rem hai ba Kermenchala kumba Sanajar Ndriuspa Ndriu Woods. Chempang Lindo iba naka Mawati Pra constituency iba rem hai Charles Marngar kumba Sanajar Aspa Sapusa Woods. Tabor lang patau iba naka Maulai Khatsan constituency iba rem hai Bright Starwell Marbanyang kumba Khatsan Hajar Ndriuspa Saupopra Woods. Jigur Mertong iba naka Mountain Road Laipusau constituency iba rem hai Metidius Dekar kumba Sanhajar Chispa Praponyo Woods. Habahun Dekar iba naka Mokayau Sau constituency iba rem hai Nujorki Sungo kumba Laihajar Kendaispa Iway Woods. Macmillan Bersat iba naka Nongstoin Laipuar constituency iba rem hai Gabriel Walang kumba Arajar Ndriuspa Arpusa Woods. MD Abdus Saleh iba naka Rajabala Sapunyo constituency iba rem hai Dr. Mizanur Rahman Kazi kumba Shipe Woods. Grace Mary Karpuri iba naka Sheila Arpunriu constituency iba rem hai Balajit Kupar Senrem kumba Sauspa Laipusa Woods. Nihim di Shira iba naka Songsak Sapaway constituency iba rem hai Dr. Mukul Sama kumba Laispa Nyopuar Woods. Mohendro Rapsang iba naka West Shillong Khatpra constituency iba rem hai Polongdo kumba Laihajar Sauspa Prapusan Woods.